Today we will learn Unit 4 and the poem is Rain. We all enjoy rain. Rain is the most favorite season of all of us. So today let's see a poem on rain. Still now we all knew many rhymes related to rain, and the most favorite one was rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Mr. Johnny wants to play. So that was our most favorite rhyme. Today we will see a new poem on rain, and the title of this poem is Rain. The poem goes like this. The rain is raining all around. It falls on field and trees. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. So here the poet is telling you the rain is raining everywhere. It's raining all around, everywhere. Wherever you see, it's raining. It falls on field and trees. We need rain in field to grow crops, and even trees need water to grow. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. It rains on the umbrellas. We all use umbrellas to protect ourselves from getting wet, and it even raining on the ships at sea. There is lot of water in the sea. So this is the poem on rain. So let's see new words of this poem. So here are the new words. Let's start with the first one is field, and the spelling is F-I-E-L-D, field. So this is the picture of field. Here we grow crops. Who grows crops? Farmers grows crops in the field. Farmers grow crops in the field. For whom? For all of us. So the next one is tree. Tree gives us many things we all enjoy. Without tree, can we survive? No, because trees gives us oxygen to breathe in. So the sentence is, trees are our best friends. Most of the things we get from trees, but trees never complain us that we are not giving it anything. Next is ship. S-H-I-P, ship. So the first two letters are S-H and the sound is sh. I ka sound hai E and P, and this is ship. Ship sails in the sea. Its next word is umbrella. The first letter is U and the sound of U here is A. So we pronounce it as umbrella. We use umbrellas in the rainy season. So here the sentence they have given you, we should always carry umbrella in the rainy days. Otherwise, whenever rain comes, we may get wet. Next word is sea. S-E-A, in the ship word also we have seen that sea. We all enjoy playing on the sea beach. We like its sound. Here is the sentence, I could hear the sound of sea. So let's see, reading is fun. Here are some few questions they have given you related to the poem. The first question is, where does the rain fall? Answer, the rain falls on fields and trees. Even you can write, it falls on the umbrellas and on the ships at sea. Okay, so but this much is enough. You can write the rain falls on fields and trees. Second question is, what do people use when it rains? So we all use different things. We use raincoats, gumboots, caps. Okay, so in the poem they have given you umbrella, so you have to write it as people use umbrella when it rains. Now let's go to the next part of our exercise, that is let's talk. So what we are going to talk? We are going to talk about rainy season, what things we like to do, what things we use. Okay, so the first question is, what do you do on a rainy day? So different children in my class have different answers. Some say we make boat, some say I take bath in the rain, ma'am. Some say I use umbrella and I walk in the rain. So different children have different answer. Okay, so I have given you one answer here which I like to do. I play with my friends on terrace on a rainy day. It was a very enjoyable moment. The second one is, here I am telling you what I am doing. You can tell what you are doing. Okay, second one is, how do you keep yourself dry in the rain? So different people use different things. I use raincoat to keep myself dry in the rain. You have to write what you use. Third one, do you like to play in water? Yes, we all like to play in water. Even small baby also likes the raindrops, and our grandparents also like to play in the rain and take bath, you know. So the answer is yes, I like to play in water. I also play music while playing in the water. It's a very enjoyable moment. I enjoy it a lot. So the fourth question is, say what things live in water. So this is a very nice question. Here we see many things live in water. So what are those many things? These are called as water animals. Water animals live in water. Many things live in water like frogs, crocodiles, fish, crab, whales, tortoise, etc. So many things live in water. You can write any animal name, any water animal name only you have to write. Okay, so now let's go to the next slide. Now let's listen. So now you all have to listen to me. So what we all listen in rainy season, that is listening part of this exercise. First one is, have you ever heard the sound of rainfall? Yes, we all have heard the sound of rainfall because now it's a rainy season. So the answer is yes, I have heard the sound of rainfall. It makes a splash sound. Second question is, what sound does the rain make on umbrellas? So what sound it is making? The rain makes the sound of pitter patter on umbrellas. You may write different sounds also. Whatever sound you hear on umbrellas, you can write it. Next question, what sound does the rain makes on the leaves of the trees? Yes, it makes sound on the leaves also. Let's see what's the sound is. It makes the sound, the rain makes the sound of drip drop on the leaves of the trees. Question number 4 is, what sound does the rain make on your window? Make these sounds yourself. Okay, it's making tip tap, tip tap, tip tap. Yes, whenever it's raining outside, we see it's making a sound on the window. If we are sitting inside, we know it's raining. It's making sound on our windows. So what's the sound it making? The rain makes the sound of tip tap on my window. Okay, so now here this exercise is finished. These ducklings are saying thank you to all of you.